Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to add a nice accent wall for a small space. Here is how it's going to look like when I'm done. To get started, I'm going to measure and cut the panels. I'm using 2.5-inch MDF boards. Next, I'm going to use an air nailer and a Dynaflex glue to fix the boards to the wall. I put together a list of all the tools and materials I used under the description of this video. One wall is done, moving to the next one. There are a few options. You can either paint first and then attach the panels, or in this case, I got everything ready and now it's time to patch and paint. First coat is ready. I'll let it dry and add another one. It turned out pretty nice. I personally like the color and the final results. This small job added a nice touch to the room. If you're new here, this is Maria. I do everything real estate. Check out my channel for more content.